In this quick video, I want to show you how I use Lovable to build a very good interactive website for my domain. Now, what I've simply done is I have simply given a prompt which says, I can paste this exact prompt in a description. You can copy that link. So I have a domain called querylookup.com. I need a landing page which is persuasive, help people getting, setting up blogs, websites, SEO ranking, #1 on Google, local SEO, Shopify SEO, AI, blog automations, and mainly I help people monetize their website, etc., etc. And then I have given a main thing which I sell, and then, the theme, I asked it to make it interactive, make it gradient, keep it no more than 3 colors, keep the fluid scroll, and also add interactive things like calculator or something related to monetizing blogs, and then include the pain points, and that's it. So this is the outcome which I have got. So let me just show you from the very beginning. So this is very good, and we have got the navigations right here, earnings. So what could your blog actually earn? And we have got all these examples and tier 1, tier 2 countries, and also if we click on unlock this revenue buttons, we can also drag the slider and keep it the estimated monthly visitors. And then if you scroll down, we have all this good, and also we have got the nice little FAQs right here. And yep, if you click on, we got all this scroll, a good scroll, and we have got the nice little points right here. So this is how Lovable is very good at building interactive websites. And not only that, we have got the banner moving from right to left, which is a good which has a bullet points. And yep, so if you're a blog website designer or you want to monetize blogs, the link will be in the description. You can check that out. And if you want to help, book a one-on-one call with me.